من Sattorov Aiyomiddin.
I am Sattorov Aiyomiddin, the citizens of Tajikistan who used to address before through the mass media to our dear compatriots and world community. Through that, this address was enough, but unfortunately yesterday in the evening, during reading materials from mass media, I saw an announcement that the international influential organization, the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe, hosts its regular meeting in Warsaw from the 9th till the 21st of September. To my surprise, the representatives of the terroristic organization Islamic Renaissance Party, in particular Muhyiddin Kabiri, was invited to this meeting. This thing shook me up, and I saw word that maybe that's what I said was not heard by the heads of this authoritative international organization. Perhaps they have not heard these things. That's why I consider it necessary to address the leadership of this international organization, including the Secretary General of the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe, Thomas Greminger, Director of the Human Rights Protection Division, Mr. Mikhail Link, and Head of the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe Office in Tajikistan, Ms. Tula Yurola. I am aware from my wrong and bad things of this terroristic party, and in 2017 took part in one of the regular sessions of this international organization in Warsaw. I am well aware of the opinions of the leadership of this terrorist party, especially Muhyiddin Kabiri, who aim to hide their real goals from this high tribune. They wanted to show themselves to the world community innocent. They don't want that the world community should know about their inhumanity deeds. I, who knows all, wanted to say with confidence that the terroristic organization, the Islamic Renaissance Party, does not have right to participate in the high tribune of the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe. If this authoritative organization considers necessary to hear from me the facts, it can invite me to Warsaw. Because the terrorist organization Islamic Renaissance Party doesn't have right to give a speech from the high tribune of this organization, because it is a criminal party and they want to show themselves innocent and oppressed. All my life I was with them. In 2017, I participated in the meeting of this organization and took part in the private meetings of them as well. I am well aware from the goals of the terroristic organization Islamic Renaissance Party and its leadership, Muhyiddin Kabiri. If this organization doubts from my words, I'm ready to go and to tell about their guilty to the world community in their presence. I am Sattorov Aiyomiddin. I'm ready to go to Warsaw and tell all it for the security of my country and nation. Of course, the participation of the terrorist organization Islamic Revival Party and its leadership, Muhyiddin Kabiri, will strike a blow to authority of the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe, where the main task of this organization is the protection of human rights, and it says that they're protecting the human rights on the planet and trying to improve human well-being. The participation of the terrorist party, especially Muhyiddin Kabiri, will raise doubts that this organization that is considered itself the organization for protecting human rights is supporting the terrorists. The main aim of the terrorist organization, Islamic Revival Party, especially Muhyiddin Kabiri, is to destabilize the society of Tajikistan that has 9 million population, to turn the country to other countries like Syria. They don't have other goals. All is supported by Islamic Republic of Iran and other countries who are fighting against humanity and arresting the terrorists. All know that the supporter of the terrorist organization Islamic Revival Party is the Islamic Republic of Iran, and with its amount, this country is financing the terrorist organization Islamic Revival Party. All worlds have acknowledged it. I have experienced, I was there, heard everything I saw. Again, I am addressing Mr. Thomas Greminger, Mr. Mikhail Link, and Ms. Tula Yurola. Until that meeting was not held, try not allow the participation of the representatives and leaders of the terrorist organization Islamic Revival Party to this high tribune, because their presence will decrease the authority of the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe. I participated in the meeting of this organization and heard from many participants that the world community believes in this Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe. They believe that Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe is a human rights organization. If the members of the party and Muhyiddin Kebiri will participate, I'm confident that it will strike a blow to the authority of the organization. In my previous address, I revealed the crimes of this terrorist party, including its leadership, Muhyiddin Kebiri. If they were not guilty, they would be protested against my accusations. They didn't answer me in mass media. They did not protect themselves like it is slander and others. It is evidence that they were partners in these crimes and they did not have a word to say. But because of that, the world community isn't aware from that they want to justify themselves from the high tribune. And of course, the opportunity of this organization is higher, and the world community will hear them. They want to use unawareness of people. But I once again reveal that the terrorist party has been involved in all these events of Tajikistan, especially Muhyiddin Kebiri. I'm telling this to the entire world.